just like that, everything is solved. What is going on, guys, and welcome back to the best Turbo 86 channel on the entire YouTube balls. It has been a minute, and that's just because I was working on another boat, and now we're back at home, and this has happened, and I don't have my Ings front bumper because I can't drive down my driveway. But anyway, that's not the point. The point is, in this video, what we're going to be doing is basically making brackets. Because she doesn't have a bracket. If you watch Project Benki, you know exactly what I'm talking about. Bracket masters. So yes, brackets for the intercooler. So I guess let's just take the front bumper off again. And you guys know the drill. It goes something like this. YouTube magic does it again, guys. Just love YouTube magic. It's just, yeah, the best. So what we're going to do is take off my temporary straps that are holding the intercooler. And then we're just going to disconnect the boost pipes. And we're going to be using these holes over here. 1 and 2. And the bungs on top of the intercooler. Then we're going to come over here. And we're going to use this like 5mm thick piece of aluminium to make an intercooler bracket. So let's do it. I realized I don't really need to take off the intercooler at all the boost pipes, because it gives me a great angle to work with. So what I'm going to do is just cut the bolts to length and then take my aluminium and start making these brackets and see what happens. So now you guys saw how to make one bracket. Let me just repeat the process. This is obviously going to go straight through over here, there, and then we bolt it tight. Let me just replicate that side of aluminium over here. This one's going to be a bit more tricky, and then I'll show you guys once it's finished. After some banging, cutting, and cutting to size, I guess. Here are the brackets, fully custom, made out of aluminium. I think they're like 5mm thick. I don't know, should we find out? Let's find out. Out of complete curiosity. Let's check what is going on here. Yeah, 4.5, somewhere on there. Anyway, that is how these came out. Geez, couldn't English there for a second. I'm pretty stoked with these. So I think now, next best thing to do is, why don't we just do something like this. The intercooler is on. And look how nicely this came out. Perfect. I want to see if I can put the flash on. Wait. Came out beautifully. You can see the bracket down there. The bracket here. Perfect. See if I can get under here. Oh, that's probably a weird angle, but there we go. Not touching the oil cooler. Same as on this side. It's going to look so weird. Anyway, very happy with that. So what we'll do is we'll just chuck the bumper back on, but just thought I'd show you guys what's going on. Show you literally what's happening now with all the builds, the Mini and everything too, and the 86 did get a tune, a proper tune this time, and next video will be how much this whole turbo kit cost me and a full-on parts breakdown of everything. So guys, as always, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, comment, or don't, I don't care. But as always, don't forget to always send it. Catch you guys in the next one.